Let's begin. Let's first start by getting into a comfortable seated position with our palms up and open to feel lifted, or face down to feel grounded. You can gently close your eyes or keep them fixed on a point in front of you. Let's start by taking a deep breath through the nose and release through the mouth. Another gentle inhale through the nose. And release through the mouth. Continuing with these deep breaths, now is the time to relax into your seat on every exhale. Now is the time to surrender to this moment. Even if we hear small noises around us, it is all a part of this moment. And with every gentle inhale and soothing release of an exhale, we are coming home to this moment. Let's take a deep inhale together through the nose. And release through the mouth, allowing the shoulders to roll back. Another deep inhale through the nose. And release. Let's continue with these deep breaths. And remember, if you find your mind wanders, that is perfectly okay. It's what the mind does. When we notice, we're simply choosing to come back to this moment, anchoring ourselves by turning our awareness to the breath. How it feels as the cool air enters our warm lungs, and how relaxing it is to release our muscle tension on every exhale. Beautiful. When you're ready, I invite you to gently turn your awareness inward to the imagination. I invite you to visualize yourself sitting on a smooth rock in the middle of a stream that is flowing all around you. Beyond this gentle stream, there is a beautiful protecting jungle, teeming with life. It's a warm, tropical day with a gentle sea breeze around you. In front of you, there's a gentle stream flowing down a hill. And behind you, as you turn your head, just above you is a waterfall. Its gentle stream is landing just behind your back. And there's cooling mist all around. How does that feel? In this space, we are here to gently cleanse our aura. If you can imagine any worries of the future or tension from the past, they are around you like an aura, like the rays of the sun that circle it. These thoughts that we carry are not within us. They can be cleansed with the waterfall. So, on every inhale, I invite you to deeply fill your lungs. And every exhale, I invite you to visualize and feel the waterfall gently flowing over your head, over your ears, down your neck, around your shoulders, and cleansing what no longer serves you, allowing it to gently float away in the stream. Let's take a deep inhale through the nose. And release. Allowing that water to gently flow over you. Surrendering that hold on these worries, memories. In this moment, right now, we're cleansing them. Another deep inhale through the nose. And release. Letting it gently flow over every inch of your body. Beautiful. Continue on with these deep breaths and allowing the water to flow. When you're ready, I invite you to visualize the waterfall gently slowing to a halt. The water is no longer flowing, and you gently turn around on your rock to see the beautiful, tall cave underneath the waterfall. There is a huge wall that's just in front of you, and it's black. And a projector appears, projecting a movie onto the wall. It's showing scenes of your life, of your intentions for your future playing out just as you wish. Take a moment to view your goals and intentions like a movie playing out on screen. Beautiful. The projector is slowly turning off, and I now invite you to gently bring your awareness back to the body as we will wind back with some mantras. I invite you to repeat this mantra after me, speaking it out, taking ownership of the words, or speaking them within. I am open to life's abundance. I hold within me all that I need. Beautiful. I invite you to take some deep, intentional breaths, continuing to relax into the moment. And remember, if the mind wanders, that is perfectly okay. We're simply choosing to bring our awareness back to the sensation of the breath. When you're ready, I invite you to bring your awareness back to the room. And when it feels right, you can gently wiggle your toes, maybe roll your shoulders, and open your eyes. I hope that you can take a moment to thank yourself for holding space and fostering inner calm. If you made it to the end of this meditation, I invite you to comment 3 water drop emojis to let me know you made it. Or you can comment what might have come up for you during this meditation. As your engagement with my work here tells YouTube that you enjoy content like this, and it helps small but growing creators like myself continue to grow. And with all of that said, I will leave you with my favorite quote, and that is, be gentle with yourself, because life is about the journey and not the destination. Bye, friends.